Okay, I just thought I would take some video of the Pamlico when it's calm. The wind, I'm sailing, as you can see, there are my sails, but I'm also running the engine. Low RPM, but I am running the engine. But otherwise I'd be going too slow. The wind is only about 7 miles an hour. That is Oriental over there, the town of Oriental. I'll try to zoom into it a little bit. Right over there. Zoom back out. And let me get myself straight here again. There's apparently a big line of thunderstorms right out in that direction. You can kind of see. But I believe they're going in the opposite direction, so I don't think I have to worry about them, although I'm not so sure. Supposedly the wind was in the 35-mile-an-hour range in those thunderstorms. I'm going over there. I am currently about a little less than 6 miles away, so less than an hour away from my destination. I can be there in an hour or less and be all tied up. Quiet. Alright, so this is the Pamlico in its nicer times, at least for the moment. Wow, we were wondering about that storm, whether it was coming. Well, this is 10 minutes later, and the winds haven't picked up yet, but the wind sure did. And I gotta get in. I gotta really push it to get in. So that's what happens. I got my sails down, and not folded up to my satisfaction, but I got them down. Alright. Alright, I'm probably 10 minutes later than it was a while ago, but winds are still strong. I had to close all my ports, put my rain gear on. The sail, I'm still not happy the sail's not tied up real well. But this is one reason I bought this camera, so I can get it a little wet. Take some pictures while it's on the rough side. And this is really not bad. I mean, I'm splashing some water up here and there, but so far it will get, if this wind keeps up, it will get very bad. But at this point, it's not too bad. And I have about 3 miles still to go. And at my current speed, that's about a half an hour. So if all goes well, I'll finish that up with this and get in without any problem. Alright, that's it. Okay, this is chapter 4. I'm only now a little less than 9/10 of a mile from my destination, which is right over there. As soon as I get in there, I should be just fine. And over here you can see the front that moves through. Now behind it, the wind has actually died down a little bit. It's not quite as bad, but some of these rolling waves that are coming in are 3 and 4 feet high, and they're giving me a pretty good rock. But it looks good for getting in. Shouldn't be a problem from here. Just thought I'd do one more, and I had a couple real rocks a minute ago. I thought I'd show that. Here we go. Well, not too bad. But it's amazing what can happen in such a short time with a storm like that. Okay, that's it. Well, maybe one last chapter here. Here is my entrance getting into South River. I have to go past that red marker. And before I get to the green, I got to turn right in front of the green. And I'll be heading in there, and there are places in there where I can get out of the wind. And out of there'll be no waves in there. It'll be real calm. So I thought I'd go over and look at the GPS. You can see the narrow little opening I have to go through and make a right turn. Bad news is that front that went through is just sitting up there. And there's thunder and lightning with it. Of course, I'm heading towards it now, but it doesn't seem to be moving out to the ocean. It's just sitting out there. So I might get some more rough weather before this is all over. Alright, but you can see I am about to go by my red marker. I go by a little further, I'll turn right, and I will be in South River. And then it's just a question of getting to the spot where I want to spend the night. That's it.